All right, guys. Let's take a quick look at the market. Kind of a weird day. We got Bitcoin hanging on above 19,000 while basically the stock market has crashed. Everybody's putting all their money into the dollar. Harry Dent said it the best. The dollar is the best house in a bad neighborhood. Still a bad neighborhood, still a shithole, but it's the best house in a bad neighborhood. You could also say maybe the best turd in the pot. You know what I mean? It's like, or the least smelly turd in the pot. So that's where everybody's putting their money right now. I feel bad if you got euros or any other currency because you're basically losing it. The British pound is the lowest it's been, I think, in like 40 or 50 years. So not good over there, and that's what happens when you just print money. But that doesn't mean the U.S. dollar is any better. It's just we have a bigger military, we have a bigger country, we have, we're stronger, we have more money, and people just feel more secure with the U.S. dollar, even though it's just as shitty as everything else. That's why everybody wants to put money in Bitcoin, and that's why you should have some Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. All makes sense now watching all these other currencies collapse. Even gold isn't doing all that well. But the crypto market is actually holding up okay. XRP taking a little bit of a pullback. Cardano about 45 cents, 44 cents. Everything's pretty much hanging. Matic at 75 cents. Not too much going on today other than basically the markets are basically crumbling around us. And the question is Bitcoin going to crumble very, very soon down to that $14,000, $12,000 mark? I mean, I don't know. Probably. See, my thing is everybody thinks now it's going to happen. So now I'm kind of leaning more towards a relief bounce. Everybody I'm talking to right now says Bitcoin's going down to 12 or 14,000. I mean, it probably is at some point in the next 6 months, but with everybody talking about it and the dollar's so high right now, the dollar needs to correct a little bit. I think we could get a pump back up to $25,000, $26,000. Call me crazy. I mean, I wouldn't bet on it, but it's crypto, folks. It always does the opposite of what everybody thinks it's going to do. All right, let's see what Crypto Banter is talking about.
I've been $5 to start, and then later on, it's not up just yet. There is going to be a Bybit link below there, and if you deposit $1,000 with that Bybit link, deposit in there. You don't have to trade it or anything. They give you up to $100 on a 10x on ETH to trade. So you can either go long or short. They give you an extra $1,000 that you can trade with.
I really hate these guys. I'm Bybit, not Binance. I mean, these guys have gotten so many people wrecked with their stupid Bybit and leverage trading. They'll never disclose it. And they're based out of South Africa, so they can get away with it. I would bet they're making millions of dollars a year from Bybit, and I wouldn't be surprised if they actually are employed by Bybit. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if they have Bybit representatives on their payroll. Like, that's how bad it is with these guys. And this is the problem with listening to one out of crypto YouTubers who aren't in the United States. They can get away with murder, especially from third world countries. You have to remember they're out of South Africa, which is a third world shithole, as Donald Trump would say. They can get away with anything. But all they want you to do is basically put your money on Bybit, so they basically get a cut. And then when you lose all your money on Bybit, they also get a cut. So very entertaining channel, but man, and we're in the depths of a bear market. The depths. The world's exploding. Putin's threatening to cut off gas to Europe. The dollar's at all-time high while every other currency is collapsing. Crypto's collapsing. They're fucking trying to get you to do leverage right now. Unbelievable. You can't make this stuff up, folks. You can't. That's how it's that devious. Okay, stock market. Like I said, it's down. It is what it is. Stock market's probably going to be down for a while. The question is, how's Bitcoin going to react? Probably not great, but I do think we're going to have a relief bounce. I think we're going to get a relief bounce, folks. I really do. This week, next week, I think it's coming. I think it's coming. I think a lot of people are going to sell their crypto this week, and then we're going to get a relief bounce. Anyway, interesting news here. Terra Luna. I traded Terra Luna Classic on the way down, lost a lot of money. I currently hold, I think, like $300 worth of Luna Classic. Now it's probably worth now it's worth like 300. It was worth like 150. So basically, Luna's pumping today up 60% because Binance now has basically agreed to do the burn on Luna tokens. We pumped a few weeks ago. Then Binance said they're not going to do the burn. So then Luna basically dumped. Now Binance says they are. This is very good news for Luna. So if I had thousands of dollars of Luna, I'd sell 90% of it right now. I would sell 90% of it. Because you made thousands of dollars. But I only have a few $100 worth of it. It's not even worth it to trade it right now. So I'm just going to hold it until the next bull market, 2024, and I'll see where it is. If it goes to zero, I don't care. But it is kind of like, funny, this Luna Classic just, it'll probably eventually be a meme coin. But I think I think if you got a few $100 worth of it like me, that could turn into $5,000, $3,000 to $5,000. And when think of it, when everything's going, when Bitcoin hits 100,000, all your altcoins are pumping, all the subprime altcoins are pumping. Basically, everything's pumping. Doge is pumping. I could see a lot of money being put into Luna Classic. So yeah, I'm gonna hold my couple $100 worth. I already lost thousands of dollars on Luna. Hey, maybe I'll make it back. Who knows? It's a flip of a coin. What else do we got going on? This article is kind of funny. Cardano bulls run out of steam after Vasco hard fork. 40% price crash in play. Folks, Cardano never even pumped for the Vasco hard fork. They're making it sound like there was all sorts of bullish pumpage around the Vasco hard fork. No, Cardano did nothing. So these articles suck. I mean, Cardano could go down to the 40%, but just they word it so sleazy. Like, oh, the Vasco hard fork's over and the bullishness is gone. There was no bullishness in any of these altcoins. Well, maybe a few of them. But there was really nothing going on with Cardano the last couple months. So, yeah, all these altcoins could dump another 40 or 50%. There's no question about it. But for me, I'm happy buying now because it's also cheap. My next buy level, let me do a quick on my buy levels. When will I be buying Bitcoin? $12,000. I'm not buying any Bitcoin unless it goes under $12,000. Ethereum under $600, I won't be buying any. XRP I don't want. BNB under 200. Cardano under 35 to 30 cents is when I'd be buying more Cardano. Remember, I already have a lot of Cardano. Solana, I don't know, $20. Matic, I said I would buy some at 75 cents, but now I don't want to. I changed my mind. And folks, you're allowed to do that in crypto. You're allowed to change your mind. And I'm not buying any Matic until it goes under 50 cents because it's already pumped too much. There's other coins that haven't pumped like Matic. Why am I going to buy Matic? It doesn't make any sense. Under 50 cents is a deal. I said I'd be buying Litecoin under $50. I still probably will. Litecoin to me is just like buying Bitcoin, except it has a better ROI. So that's probably the next coin I'll buy. Litecoin under $45, maybe under 50. I haven't decided yet. We got Luna pumping, and of course my favorite, Theta. Holding out $1.10. Like I said, under $1, I buy Theta no matter what, and it hasn't gone under $1 for like 6 months. My last real buy on Theta was 98 cents. Folks, that's it. Like and subscribe to my videos. Not too much going on other than the world is crumbling. The markets are crumbling, but Bitcoin's actually holding out okay. And I think a lot of that is because Bitcoin's already dumped so much. This means to me we're almost near bottom. Is it 15,000, 12,000? Was it 18,000? But I think we're close. All right, folks. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.